Hi, welcome to Kitchen Revelations. Today's recipe is classic egg mayonnaise. It is extremely simple and easy to make. It can be used as fillings for sandwiches, rolls, or for salad dressings, or even as dips. So let's quickly get on to the recipe. Here I have taken one egg. Break the egg and put it into the blender jar. To make it a healthy version, next I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil. You can use oil of your choice. Here I'm adding half cup or 10 tablespoons of olive oil. Now add juice of half lemon. Now add a pinch of salt, half teaspoon sugar. Blend everything well for 1 minute. To make the mayonnaise more flavorful, you can also add garlic and pepper. So our creamy and thick mayonnaise is ready. Enjoy it as salad dressing or as dips. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to Kitchen Revelations and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates or for similar recipes. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.